Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I dive deep into software reviews so you can make smarter decisions for your business or career. Today I'm reviewing one of the most powerful and widely used CRM platforms in the world, which is Salesforce. Now I'll be honest, this isn't your average CRM. Salesforce is a beast, and I mean that in both the best and sometimes the most overwhelming ways possible. So let's get into it. What is Salesforce? What exactly is it? At its core, Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform, CRM. It helps businesses manage leads, sales pipelines, customer support, marketing, automation, analytics. So basically, the full customer life cycle from first touch to long-term loyalty. But that's just scratching the surface. Salesforce is designed for professionals, mid to large businesses, and enterprises, but it does offer scaled-down solutions for startups and small teams. So whether you are in sales, marketing, service, commerce, or even IT, Salesforce has something for you. So now, what are the main use cases of Salesforce? Okay, now uh, the main use cases for Salesforce include lead management, sales forecasting, customer segmentation, workflow automation, reporting dashboards, email marketing, and even AI powered insights with Salesforce Einstein. Okay, now before we go deeper into the Salesforce products, Salesforce features, let's take a quick look at the user interface of Salesforce. Now Salesforce has come a long way, especially with its Lightning Experience UI. It is modern, clean, and customizable, which is great, but also part of the problem because it is so customizable it can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new. The navigation isn't always intuitive out of the box. You will probably need some onboarding or training if you want to hit the ground running. Okay, that said, once you get past the initial learning curve, which can be steep, things start to make sense. And for teams that rely heavily on CRM, the interface becomes second nature over time, right? That is it. But the truth is that if you are new to Salesforce, if you're a beginner, you need to undergo some tutorials training so as to get the best use out of Salesforce, right? So learning is very much needed. Now let's talk about the features and capabilities. So the core features of Salesforce include contact and lead management, opportunity tracking, workflow automation, custom dashboards, email integration, AI-driven predictions via Salesforce Einstein. Okay, so when you look at the products menu, you would see the list of products they offer. Now, when you open on Agent Force, you get to see what they offer in that regard. Products by need, CRM products. Here it says build your customer 360 and get a complete view of your customers across sales, service, management, marketing, e-commerce, and more. Now, if you look at it, you will see sales, service, marketing, e-commerce, Slack, CRM. Now, when you over on products by industry, you get to see the industries that Salesforce is primarily designed for: financial service, healthcare, and life science. So if you are in consumer goods industry or communication or public sector or manufacturing, you can always make use of Salesforce for your need, for your industry need. Now small business as well, uh, you know data, uh, you know your platform, Salesforce platform, as you can see here, you know. So there are a lot of products they offer, but I will just discuss some of the standout tools. So Salesforce Flow for building automation without code, Charter and internal social feed for teams, then App Exchange, Salesforce App Marketplace, which is like an app store or stairs for business tools. There also Einstein AI, which gives predictive insights and smart recommendations. So Salesforce Flow, Charter, App Exchange, Einstein AI, these are some of the standout tools for me when exploring Salesforce. Now, compared to tools like HubSpot or Zoho, Salesforce is more complex but infinitely more powerful and customizable. It is like the difference between a Swiss Army knife and a full-blown toolbox. Okay, so that's it on the features. When you come to Salesforce, you get to see a whole lot of products they offer, a lot of solutions they offer. So now, when it comes to performance and reliability, Salesforce is solid. It is fast and highly scalable, which is why Fortune 500 companies trust it. I haven't experienced any major crashes or bugs, but I've noticed occasional lags with larger data sets or heavily customized dashboards. Also, depending on how many integrations and automations you're running, performance can dip slightly. Still, for the most part, it is reliable, secure, and enterprise grade. So, for the integrations, for the integration and compatibility, Salesforce is one of the most integration-friendly platforms out there. It works with Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Slack, which Salesforce actually owns, okay, MailChimp, QuickBooks, Dropbox, and hundreds more via App Exchange. So it integrates with hundreds of uh, uh, apps. All right. Uh, Also, it's available on Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and web, and it has a robust API for developers to build custom solutions or sync with internal systems. If your business if your business relies on multiple tools, Salesforce will most likely play well with all of them. As for the pricing and plan, if you go to the footer section of the website, you will see under popular links, you will see product pricing. Click on that to take you to the pricing page. So Salesforce product pricing. So explore products by role. Now, if you are looking to, if you're a small business, for example, every small business sell smarter and support faster in a single app. If you click on see all small business pricing, you will see the details of the pricing and plan for small business. Now the starter plan, they have starter suits and pro suits. Now the simple CRM suite with marketing, sales, service, and commerce. Uh, for this particular plan, it costs $25 per user per month. Okay, and for the pro, it costs $100 per dollar. $100 per user per month. So you can also try it for free. So they offer a free trial. Then if you know that your business is focused on let's say, okay, let me just go back. So if you know that your business it is more of if you need it for CRM, For example, if you need Salesforce for CRM, if you click on see all CRM pricing, you also see the details of the pricing as well. Yeah, so for the starter suite, it costs $25 per user per month. For the Pro suite, it costs $100 per user per month. Then there is this plan called Salesforce Foundation. Add key features to your existing CRM, available for Enterprise Edition and above. Okay, so you can see. So if you are looking for any specific solution that Salesforce offer, there's pricing for all the solutions that they offer. That is it for the pricing. There are no hidden fees, but there are optional add-ons like advanced analytics, AI, and customer support packages. So costs can add up fast. Is it worth it? If you're a green team or enterprise, I would say it is worth it. But if you are a solo entrepreneur or a small startup with simple needs, it might be overkill. So let's talk about the support and community. Salesforce offers 24/7 support, but only on higher tier plans. The community, however, is massive. There are official forums, trailhead tutorials, webinars, and even local user groups. The Salesforce Trailhead platform is standout. It is a unified learning system that helps you earn badges and certifications as you learn the ecosystem. I found it super helpful when I first got started. Okay, so when you come to the support here, you see help and documentation, you see communities, you get. So if you click on if you over on this communities, for example, you will see different communities you can explore where you can learn more about about Salesforce. And you click on explore communities. Okay, here it says join the Trailblazer community and connect with Trailblazers from anywhere. Discover apps and experts in our partner community to help you drive success now, and share feedback on ideas change to help guide our product in a roadmap. So this is the Trailblazer community. If you like to join the community, you can just click on join the community. Then when you come to learning, now this is the particular one I was talking about, learning on Trailhead. Now Salesforce Trailhead platform. So you can just come here, explore Trailhead. Now let me open that on the new tab. Now trails, explore guided learning path to quickly learn in demand skills. Expert led learning, that's led learning with access to Salesforce experts. Salesforce certification, and resume worthy Salesforce credentials, career path. So the Salesforce is very loaded, right? So that's it for the support and community. Then for security, it is enterprise grade. We've got all the acronyms covered: ISO 27001, GDPR compliance, TLS encryption, role-based access controls. So when it comes to Salesforce, we take data security seriously, which is one reason why industries like healthcare, finance, and government use it. Okay, so then for the advantages, it is incredibly customizable and scalable. It has rich features for every department. It has powerful integrations and automation tools. It has a great learning resources, which is known as Tradehead, Salesforce Tradehead, as I've shown you, and it has AI and also AI and analytics with Salesforce Einstein. Those are the advantages. Then for the disadvantages, there's a steep learning curve. Okay, it's expensive for small businesses. Interface can be overwhelming at first. Then also, it has advanced features locked behind higher plans. So that is it. So the question is, should you use Salesforce? If you're a medium to large business or a small team with ambitious growth goals and you want a tool that can scale with you, Salesforce is a no-brainer. It is not just a CRM, it's a platform that can manage your entire business ecosystem if you want it to. But if you're a solo operator or small team just starting out, you might want to look at HubSpot, Zoho CRM, or even Pipedrive. So, those tools, HubSpot, Zoho CRM, Pipedrive, are simpler and more budget friendly. As for me, I think Salesforce is incredibly powerful, but definitely not plug and play. You've got to be willing to invest in training and possibly a CRM admin to unlock its full potential. And that is it for my detailed review of Salesforce. If you have used it before, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you are on the fence about trying it, hopefully this helped you make a clearer decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next review. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.